silana ke e-Ugu Sports and Leisure where Umlando Creative unento yawo yenzayo nje yokwazi ukuthi uhlanganise ama-SMMEs ndawonye akwazi ukuthi athole ama-trainings bakwazi futhi nokuthi babuze izinto eziningi ezokwazi ukuthi zibalekelele ekuthenini bakhulise amabhizinisi abo.
Namhlanje sihlangene la ku the Next Billionaire Business Expo because of i-Next Billionaire Business Show edlale 1 KZN TV every Tuesday ngo9:30. Sithe masibona i-show iqhubeka and osomabhizinisi bethola i-access sabona ukuthi okay kune challenge ukuthi osomabhizinisi abangene kahle ezitolo. Sithe masikhuluma nosomabhizinisi bakhala ngokuthi there is a red tape mawuthi ukhuluma nama retailers akhuluma ngokuthi i-compliance. Ingakho ke namhlanje sibe nezibhika eziningi ebezikhuluma nge-compliance saba no Tekelot bekhuluma nge-digital marketing.
Sizofunda indaba ze-compliance ukuba i-business ama-SMME adingani wama-businesses amancane in order to qualify and to expand.
And I think the exposure that something like the Next Billionaire program does is actually make these SMEs feel appreciated. It makes them feel more at home in terms of what they're doing, and it gives them the incentive to continue on what is often a very, very tough journey for small businesses.
Sibe nama master class ke bema adimnandi kakhulu namhlanje sale and retail sitter udile kakhulu ngokuthi bona osomabhizinisi ama products abo bawatesta kanjani ukuze bakwazi because izitolo zidinga ukuthi into yakhe ibe tested ibe registered i-pricing ama barcode zonke lezo zinto lezo.
We're very happy to be here and we want to see this grow. Siyabonga futhi kakhulu ukuthi sisupportwa kakhulu u-EDTIA, which is the Department of Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs.